What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video today, it's all about a nostalgic phone. Well, guess what's that phone? Just guess it. Ooh, there we go. So we are having today Nokia Lumia 610. To be honest, I've used only the Nokia Lumia 520, but the 610 I've never used it, but I saw some of the people using it. But today we are checking it out and experience how this device is gonna be. So finally I just got it throughout in town, and it's really fully packed, and to be honest, it's in a good condition. It's like it's brand new. The person never used it. Today we're just gonna be unboxing the Nokia Lumia 610 and check it out. How is it, and will it just sustain throughout right now? Obviously no, it doesn't, but capability wise, let us just see how this device is gonna be. So enough of me talking, let's get started through all the video of today. Okay guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy here, as you can see, and the box wise, it's quite not bad, still in a good condition. I kind of vibe with that, quite not bad. So we're gonna just be unboxing it and check out what's inside this bad boy. First thing first, you're greeted with our device, which I'm gonna keep it aside first, and what's inside, because I'm really pumped to see what's in here. So you're getting this type of a cover, which is an extra back cover, which you can interchange. I believe there are two of them. Paperwork. So you're getting a micro USB cable in here, which is really good. Another kind of stuff, you're getting a power brick in here, which is really great. As you can see, really standing out, which is really awesome. Last but not least, you're getting your earphones in here, which is really dope thing. So yeah, goodness about it, it has a jack. Some extra buds to interchange on your earphones. Well, here we have it. So this is our device in here, having a white Quicksilver back cover, and on this side you're having your normal Nokia black cover, which you can interchange between these two covers, which I think this one they partnered with Quicksilver. So on this side, as you can see, this is how you just interchange between these two cases. But this case, it's a little bit fading, a little bit with dents, and quite not bad, but still it can sustain throughout using it, so no problem about that. But I prefer the Quicksilver one. Looks really slick. The nice about the Nokia Lumia 610 is the design. I really adore this design, and on top, as you can see guys, there's a micro USB port here, and there's a jack port in here, which is really dope. And some of you guys, if you remember, it has a speaker somewhere here, which is really dope thing. And another kind of stuff, it has some extra buttons. So this is your volume rocker buttons, and there's even a shutter button in here, which is really dope thing. And another kind of stuff, through this design, it's really impressive. And this model which I have, it's really brand new. As you can see guys, this phone, it's really brand new. Okay guys, right now we're inside the phone, and as you can see, it's really great. I remember the way the tiles they kept it, and I really like the way they kept the tiles of the phone, which it's really smarking good. And another kind of stuff, you can go to the settings side to customize anything you want. Especially you had theme section, and you can interchange between what you really need. I can go to brown and just tap on there, and everything on the tile section is to just change that color and adapt it. The only downside, on Windows Phone 7 did not have a drop down menu, and not menu but drop down for notification. Why am I talking about menu? It's not drop down notification. Okay, another kind of stuff is the way they kept the smoothness of this device or operating system. Now when it comes to the camera side too, it's quite not bad. You can see the camera there. Up to now it's just doing a little bit like meh. It's quite good, but not that much. It won't give you what you really need, but it's there. And another kind of stuff, it's so fluidy. Like when you go to the calculator side, I like the way Microsoft usually kept everything really fluid. It's not that much a meh calculator, but it does something at least. So another kind of stuff through here which impresses me is on the setting side. Just we had the black and white, what is it called, the black and white theme. So when you go to the theme section, you can interchange between the dark theme and light theme, which is really good thing, but I prefer the dark theme. You know, those days when dark theme and light theme was a thing on Windows, it was really dope. And another kind of stuff through here, you can see this is your section of setting, and it's really minimal. And when you go to about section, it will give you everything you need. Like this phone has a Windows Phone 7.5, and another kind of stuff, it has total storage of only 8 GB and a 256 MB of RAM. You might be saying, what's going on in here? 256 MB of RAM, does it do something? Well, as you can see, even on the device, it's really fluidy. To be honest, it doesn't have like much reason. Yeah, you can see the much recent application, but you can close them. The only downside about it, Windows Phone 7.5, but overall it's really great. And another kind of stuff, why am I not opening apps? Because well, it doesn't support a lot of apps right now, and so much stuff going on Microsoft. They discontinued these devices, so if you know that other apps won't be available, and or they will be available but they won't work the way you want to. Now we're gonna hear the sound, because I tried installing Zoom on my PC, but it doesn't work sync the device, and it's really a knockoff, you know, a device which is outdated. Well, sometimes the softwares won't be available. Even if you want to check for updates, you won't get anything through here, even if I'm connected on the Wi-Fi section. And even if we try to open the store, let me show you guys a marketplace. So when you just open it and go to applications, it will just say we can't connect to marketplace at the moment. Check your data connection or try again. So they discontinued a lot of things, so you can't do anything with this phone. But there's something which you can try to do is Internet Explorer, but it does not load that much the page. So I've tried going to Google, it does load Google page, but if you try something else, it won't do. So it's really weird, and it's okay that they discontinued it, so don't expect anything miraculous through this device. So you can see here, and I can just type in here and say, let me say YouTube, and let's jump in on YouTube and check out if it does work. So there we go. When you jump in on YouTube section, it will take us directly through out there, and right now it's weird because it was working. So you can see, please update your browser, and you can get Opera or Mozilla, or you can try Mozilla Firefox, and it will just optimize its own self throughout, showing you what's happening throughout there. So you can see we don't have Windows Phone. I wish it could be on the list, but you know, no support anymore throughout the Windows devices on the mobile. So it went back to being okay. So that's what's up, guys, about the speaker section. But just know that this device does not support anything lately. So it's like you have it like a, you know, like it was there, we used it, but if you had apps throughout installation from back in the days, well, don't just delete them, just keep them for the memory, you know, like we had the Windows Phone, and it's really cool. So this is the Nokia Lumia 610, and we're going to be talking right now about the specification of this device and see how it was. So yeah, the Nokia Lumia 610, it was released in 2012. Well, it has a 3.7-inch TFT display with a 480 x 800 pixels of resolution. It is powered by 800 MHz processor, and it runs on the Windows Phone 7.5, upgradable to Windows 7.8. It has a 256 MB of RAM and an 8 GB of internal storage, and it's a non-expandable throughout the storage side. The Lumia 610 sports a 5 megapixel of primary camera, but lacks a secondary front camera. When talking about the connectivity side, well, it includes 3G, Wi-Fi 802.11 and BGN, and it has a Bluetooth 2.1 and a micro USB port, and the device is equipped with a 1300 mAh of battery, and it's really quite not bad. Well, sustaining through all these devices in 2024, well, it's a little bit a gimmick, because yeah, let's talk about the conclusion side. Jumping out throughout conclusion on the Nokia Lumia 610, to be honest, this device, it's really standing out. It's really amazing for remarkable of history since it was released. I'll be honest, this device is really cool, and the way they made it, the form factor, it's really amazing. I wish Microsoft could not discontinue the Windows Phone. I understand Windows devices had a lot of missing stuff, especially on the application section. If they could just improve on the application section, well, it would be a really good thing. And I think if they could switch to Android too, it would be much amazing. But maintaining the Windows, like the way they kept it through Windows 10, they introduced on the Windows 11, they actually introduced a little bit of Androidish on the store to get the application of Android, which they're missing out. So I think if they could just improve on that on the Windows Mobile, I wish they could just return, because Windows Phone, they were really ahead of its time. And and they were really cool, because Windows device, it's just amazing when it comes to its own self, the tiles, the way you use it, the interaction. It was really smooth, and even communicating throughout your machine, your PC, it was really standing out. Imagine right now in 2024 if this device could be still available on the market. I'm talking about another brand new refreshed Nokia Lumia, or even the Microsoft, because I think they discontinued the partnering of Nokia Lumia. Let me know in the comments down below which is your most favorite Windows phone nostalgic to check it out. To be honest, my favorite Windows phone, it was Nokia Lumia 520. It was really amazing, good design, really great, and it had a lot of support throughout the software, and it was really fluidy. I find it, to be honest, the Windows phone, the software wise and the specs which it has, it's really standing out. It's like an iPhone. It's like, you know, because Android is a little bit different throughout the scenario, I understand, but throughout Windows phone, it was really fluidy on the software side. So these are just my thoughts and my conclusions too, and I think that's what's up. So let me know in the comments down below which was your most favorite Windows phone. So yeah.